Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello, trainers! In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Academy Ace Tournament, a thrilling post-game challenge. To begin, your first step is to complete the entire main story of the game. This includes conquering Victory Road, Starfall Street, and the Path of Legends. Once you finish these 3 storylines, you'll proceed to the Great Crater of Paldea, culminating in the game's credits. This foundational achievement is crucial for moving forward. Once you are crowned champion, your next task is to re-evaluate the strength of Paldea's gyms. Speak with Jita, who will ask you to undertake this important inspection. You must then travel across the region and defeat all 8 gym leaders in rematches. Be prepared, as their Pokémon teams will be significantly stronger, often featuring Pokémon around level 68 or even higher, providing a true test of your skills. After successfully defeating all 8 gym leaders in their rematches, your journey takes you back to the academy. Upon your return, you will encounter a series of important conversations with Nemona and other faculty members. These discussions will confirm your accomplishments and officially announce that the prestigious Academy Ace Tournament is now unlocked and ready for you to participate in. It's the final step before the ultimate challenge. When you enter the Academy Ace Tournament for the very first time, you will face a fixed set of 4 powerful trainers: Arvin, Jack, Dendra, and finally, Jita. A great advantage is that your Pokémon will be fully healed before each of the 4 consecutive battles. Successfully winning this initial tournament not only earns you rewards, but also unlocks access to higher-level Terra raids and allows you to re-enter the tournament as many times as you wish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.